Go to the web browser, type EGE 22002 sheet about .gnomio.com. In such type of the web page will be displayed on your mobile or on your computer screen. Now you have to enroll for this course. Now click it. Now as you are a new user on this program or for this course, so you have to create a new account, furnish the details. Your username should be, if possible, it should be the first name or as per your choice. So while typing the password, read this instruction carefully. The password should contain at least 8 characters, at least 1 digits, at least 1 lowercase letter or letters, at least 1 uppercase letter or letters, at least 1 non-alphanumeric characters such as star, dash or asterisk. So your password should contain the data fulfilling all these conditions. Enter your email address on which you will get the email through which you have to enroll this program. Your first name, write your own first name, then write your surname, city. I am from Ahmednagar, so typing as Ahmednagar. Select the country, India is your country. Now for security questions, check this box. Then such type of the pop-up window will be observed. Here will be the question. Select all images with the cars. There are total 9 images. You have to select image in which the car is existing. So this image shows the car because these are the 2 cars. Here again another car, select this. Here not getting, here also not. Here is some part is showing. This is a bridge. This is again here car. Here is also not seeing the car anywhere. Here is also not. So after selecting the 4 images, verify. If all images are corrected, then this box will be the check mark. Now create my new account, click this button. Now an email should have been sent to your address, means whatever the email address you have given previously, then you have to go to this website email or Gmail address, and then you will be enrolled on this program. So continue. For this you have to go to your check your Gmail. So from admin user you will receive a message. Click this message. Means for this course admin user via Moodle sent you a message. So click this link. Then now your registration has been confirmed. Now such type of the screen will be observed. So just you have to click this button, that is enroll me. Now you are enrolled for this program. So go with your username and password. While you are approaching this program, okay. Now I am going to approach this program again. It's EG2202. Here we have to log out it first. Such type of the window will be observed. Then you have to click it. Then you have to furnish the details. My username is just like this one. Password. And login. Now you are successfully enrolled for this course, that is engineering drawing. Your name will be seen here, that is the first name and your surname. Then whatever the information will be given on this Moodle website, we have to approach it and complete our course.